students, a race run, a dream landed, a big victory. It is the greatest joy for us, for me as an ARO, all the teachers, the whole school and the whole DAV fraternity. It is the greatest joy to see someone accomplish what we have been hoping for and working towards. Wishing you all heartfelt congratulations for your achievement and well deserved success and best wishes for your future. We all are so proud of you. As you cherish the fruits of your hard work, I wish that success keeps following you in everything that you do, today and always. Always stay blessed with your dedication, enthusiasm, focus, ability, patience, and stability. May your life always shower you with such great success and happiness.
Hello, I'm Aman Kumar from DAV School Sector 4, Bokaro Steel City. I got 97.2% in my 12th board exam from science stream. So my first day in this school was on 18th June 2018, after which I completed a couple of successful years from this school. So for this, I would like to thank and mention all my subject teachers, Anupam Datta sir, Poonam Sinha ma'am, Poonam Singh ma'am, SN Das sir, UK Singh sir, SK Mishra sir, and all other teachers who have supported and guided me throughout this 2-year journey, because of whose guidance I have achieved this. And then I would especially like to mention our practical labs and libraries. So our labs and libraries both were very spacious. Most importantly, we used to get practical classes time to time, which helped us gain practical knowledge other than the theoretical ones. And our libraries also had plenty of books. Other than course books, it had magazines, newspapers, novels, which you could always pursue and study, which enhances the information from all around the world. So after all, I had a very enriching experience from this school. And at last but not the least, I would like to mention our principal sir, because of whose guidance the environment of the school was very peaceful and studious, so which helped us concentrate in our classes accordingly. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Kshitij Arya and I proudly say I'm a DAV Sector 4 pass out. So I had been studying in DAV Sector 4, Bokaro, Steel City since the last 6 years, and there was a time when after the results of 10th boards, I had to choose between staying with my parents into another city or choosing DAV for my higher studies. And the day my results came, the first feeling was that taking arts as a stream for 11th and 12th and leaving my parents and studying alone into Bokaro did not go into vain. It was a wise choice basically. And it wouldn't be fair if I do not address my teachers. So specifically Sushil sir, Jha sir and Dua sir, because these three people have been so much motivating throughout the 2 years. I mean, I have no words to say, especially Sushil sir when it comes to giving motivation. Now, there are times when you do not expect much from yourself, but people around you do, and it wasn't my case. So I don't know, but Sushil sir always pushed me up. He said that it's a piece of cake for you. You should never give up. And there was a time when I was very demotivated with my overall performance, and Sushil sir pushed me. He said, "No, that's not where you stand. We expect much more from you." Jha sir and Dua sir have been great teachers. I mean, people say that I'm not talking about people, in fact my parents said that take arts, study arts from Xavier's or somewhere else. There's options like Chinmaya and other schools as well, but I wanted geography, and particularly I'm very fond of Jha sir, and this is a fact. So yeah, I chose geography as my prior subject. I was into geography since 9th standard, and I wanted to pursue UPSC, wanted to pursue law first. That's why I got into arts, and trust me, studying arts in DAV Sector 4 is a bliss, no doubt.
Hello everyone, I am Rohit Kumar Modi. I am a student of DAV Public School Sector 4. I got 93.4% in 12th examination board with arts stream. Through this video, I want to dedicate my success to my teachers and my parents who always encouraged and motivated me throughout the year. So let me tell you how my teachers helped me. First of all, they provided me a quality education. They cleared my all doubts which I couldn't understand. They provided me lots of assignments and notes which helped me a lot in the course of preparation. They also provided me a personal assistant whenever I required. Let's move to library. So library plays a vital role, especially for me in my life, because I had lots of books. Because many times I cannot afford a costly book from the market, so I had it and from there. And let's move to the environment. So environment in the library is very good and a very studious one. I talk about the in class, so in class very competition and studious also, and everyone want to become a topper, so everyone give their best. I is also one of them, so that's the result. I scored such a good marks. And let's move to the extracurricular activity. So DAV is such a platform where the extracurricular activity take place. Most of the, just like if I talk about the debate competition, essay competition, drama, music, so this is the activity that take place means every month, I think. And this helps us in improving our personality and enriching their ability as well. So move to the, I want to give one message to the DAV or the topper aspirant, that if you really want to succeed or become a topper in your life, keep in your mind that there is no shortcut to success. Means if you work hard, if you have to work hard throughout the year with full of determination. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Prachi Singh. I studied in class 12, section M, stream commerce in DAV sector 4, Bokaro. I have got 92.4 in my board result. First of all, I would like to thank to my parents who encourages me to get in this field, my teachers who supported me in my studies, my friends who cooperated me during my studies, and last but not least, my principal sir who motivated us during assembly to do well in our work.
Hello everyone, myself Aksar Kumar from DAV Public School Sector 4 Bokaro, and I am happy to say you that I have achieved 97.2% marks in my 10th CBSE board exams. All the credit of my success goes to the guidance of teachers and respected principal sir Mr. Arun Kumar. The motivation and guidance delivered to us by principal sir in morning assemblies was the thing which kept us motivated to work hard the day long. The teachers too played a very big role in this achievement. The interactive nature, the activeness to solve my every doubt, and practical way of solving problem helped me to land here. Regular tests conducted by school helped us to complete our syllabus on time and gave us enough time to revise. At the end, I would like to thank all my teachers and respected principal sir for being the mentor in this milestone. Thank you.
Hello everybody, I am Dev Kumar, a student of DAV Public School, Sector 4, Bokaro Steel City. I have got 97.2% in class 10 boards. This will be injustice if I don't mention my teachers and mentors. This result is not only my hard work but each and every member of my school. A big heartily thank you to our principal, Shri Arun Kumar sir, who maintained us so perfectly. Then I must acknowledge my teachers, my friends and even non-teaching staffs. I thank my teachers for their immense hard work into making this dream come true. Our school gave us a competitive environment, conducted numerous exams and practice sets. This makes me perfect because practice makes a man perfect. At last, I will conclude myself that I am proud to be a DAVian, and yes, thank you each and everyone.
A teacher, my dear fellows, and all students of my campus. Hello to everyone. I am Anand Prakash, a DV Public School, Sector 4, Bokaro. Here, I appeared for Class 10 CBSE Board examination and I scored 96.8%. I thanks to my school, my parents and each everyone who had played a vital role behind my success. Thanks to our ARO, come Principal Sir, for being an impactful leader and motivating us to strive daily for success. I thank my teacher for being an amazing teacher and for all their great lessons. I felt so fortunate to have been placed in their class. I thank them for their immense hard work into making us a better human. Words can never do justice to the immense value they have made for our lives. I am thankful to the non-teaching staff of my school as well. Not only studies, but my school also improved my co-curricular activities. It made me excel both in physically and mentally. I am thankful to my parents and my family for always motivating me. They contributed a lot in my success. They always guided and suggested me that how my dreams and goals should look like. I am thankful to them for such an upbringing of mine. These all factors worked simultaneously and shaped my result and my success. At last, I would like to say, opportunities don't happen, you create them. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Ankit Bakshi, student of DAV Public School, Sector 4, Bokaro Steel City. I scored 95.4% marks in my 10th board examinations. For this, I would like to thank my teachers, my parents, my friends and everyone who stood with me in my life till date. My teachers are very supportive. They helped and motivated me a lot. They taught all the topics in the simplest way they can. If we are unable to understand any topic or if we have any problem, they repeatedly explain it until it goes in our mind. The school also conducts a series of tests such as the mock test, practice test and unit test that helped me to improve my performance. Also, the magnificent infrastructure of our school comprising of various laboratories, libraries and digital classrooms helped me to improve my performance. Also, the school took special care that the students get enough time for their self-studies. Our principal sir is also very supportive. The morning assemblies that were conducted, he gave the best motivational speeches that I have ever heard, in which he explains to us the ways in which we can study well and score good marks. Lastly, I would like to thank all my teachers and our Honorable Principal Sir, Mr. Arun Kumar, from the depth of my heart for providing me with these facilities and a perfect environment for best education to achieve this feat. Thank you.
DAV जय जय।